Don't look at other men. Don't leave me. You're mine and can only ever be mine.
With you at my side, I can do anything. I fear nothing, even when I am against the world.
I desire for power and fame, but what I ultimately desire is for you to be by my side.
I can only take my mask off when you're around. You let me be me.
I shall make a gift out of the first snow to show the world how much I love you. I will protect you always. As long as you are happy, I am happy.
Life is long, but we can face it hand in hand. We can grow old together and watch each other's hair turn white. If I can't have you, I'll regret it for the rest of my life. No, I'll regret it for 100 lifetimes.
My love for you is a poem. Every line, every stanza, are redolent with